Welcome everyone in a new video. In this video we will talk about how you can mark the proper SMC structure. Like if you can see the any people who are marking the higher highs and higher lows, break of structure and change of character, then those are not the real break of structure and change of characters, because you cannot mark it on any random point. Like if market is creating the higher highs or even a lower lows, then these are not the higher highs and higher lows. Like if market is creating a high at this point, again create a pullback, then again create a high, create small pullbacks, again create a high, pullbacks, and again high, then market broke to a downside. Then if you can see that like this pattern, if you see this on a SMC traders, they think this is a change of character, but this is not the proper way to mark the structure. And all these highs and lows, like if we keep it aside, then you can see that all these are not the highs and lows of this structure. These are just the pullbacks, but this is not the real higher highs or higher lows, and this is not the proper way to mark the structure. So in this video we will see it in a detail that how you can mark the structure in a mechanical way that market respect almost 90% of the times. Now first of all, how you can mark this structure. Now whenever market creates lower lows, like if we take the example of bearish market, then where is your lower low? All these are not the lower lows. Whenever market creating the lower lows, these are just the pullbacks. So where is the real lower low? When market moves to the upside from this point and take out the liquidity of at least one pullback from where market dropped to the downside. Like this is the first pullback from where market created the new low. So market must take the liquidity of at least one pullback. So when market take out the liquidity of first pullback, at that point the lowest point from where market started moving to the upside for the liquidity is your lower low. Now market can move to the upside for the deeper retracement, then again it can move to the downside and create the new low. Now all these pullbacks are internal pullbacks, and when market break the previous major low that we have marked, which taken out the liquidity, this is the real break of structure when market broke that point. After the break of structure and the previous lower low, the highest point is your new lower high, which is at this point. Now in this way you can mark the structure if market is moving to the downside, something like this. Like market can move to the upside, take out the liquidity of at least first pullback, which is at this point, and when market take out this liquidity, this becomes your new lower low. Market can even move to the downside, something like this, create the break of structure at this point, then your new lower high becomes at this point. But now how change of character can happen? Market may have created a new low at this point and again take out the same low, which is at this point, and according to our rules this point becomes our new lower low. And market may not create a new low but moves to the upside and break the previous major lower high, which is at this point, and this point becomes our change of character. And after the change of character we again repeat the same process that we use for the bearish market. Like we have to wait for the market to break below the first pullback at least to take out the liquidity. Now whenever market took out the first pullback liquidity, which is at this point, then it makes our higher high at this point. And when market break the same higher high even after the deeper retracement, then this point is the break of structure at this point, and after the break of structure the deepest point becomes our new higher low at this point. In this way market structure works. Now we will use the same concept for marking the structure. If you are intraday trader, you can use the structure marking in a 15-minute, and if you are a swing trader you can use it in a 4 hour. Now we will start marking structure in the 15-minute time frame. Now this is a Euro USD 15-minute time frame, and you can start marking structure from any point. Like if we start from this point like from this point, at this point market direction was bearish. Now how it was bearish? Market took out the liquidity of previous pullback, which is at this point, which confirmed the lower low at this point. Now after confirmation of lower low, market broke the same lower low at this point. This is the break of structure, and the highest point becomes our new lower high, which is at this point. Now again market moves to the downside and again broke the first pullback, which is at this point. Sorry, this was the first pullback. Market broke it to the upside, so our lower low confirms which is at this point. Why? Because from this point market moves to the upside to take out the liquidity of at least one pullback. But market did not create the new lower low, but it broke above this major lower high, which is our change of character. Now after the change of character, we know that the market structure has shifted to the upside, and now we should look for the buy. And market continue to move to the upside, and all that you see are the pullbacks that are not our real structure marking. And market took out these liquidity of these pullbacks. Like first pullback was at this point, market break below this point, and it started the downtrend from this point. So this is our new higher high. Market dropped to the downside, mitigated something to the downside, then again it moves to the upside and break the same higher high, which is at this point. So this point becomes our break of structure, and after the break of structure, this is our new higher low. Again market moves to the upside. So where is your next pullback? Market continue to move to the upside, and all these were the internal pullbacks, as you can see that, and this was the first pullback. Market break below the first pullback, so which makes our higher high at this point. Now market mitigated something to the downside, moves to the upside, and then again it break the same higher high, which is at this point. In the first attempt it was just a liquidity sweep. So when market creates the break of structure, this point becomes our new higher low. Again market continue to move to the upside. So where is the next pullback? This is the first pullback that market broke to the downside. So when market broke the first pullback to the downside, this becomes our new higher high. Market mitigated something to the downside, and again it moves to the upside and create the break of structure at this point. And after the break of structure, the deepest point is at this point, which is our new higher low. Again market moves to the upside continuously. So where is your next pullback? As you can see that this was your first pullback. Market broke it to the downside and again moves to the upside and created the break of structure. So this area was our new higher high, and this was our new higher low. Again market continue to move to the upside, and this was the first pullback. Market broke it to the downside, and this point becomes our new higher high. Market again dropped to the downside, mitigated something to the downside, and again moves to the upside and broke the previous major higher high, which is our break of structure, and the deepest point becomes our new higher low at this point. In the same way, market broke the first low, which is at this point. This makes our higher high at this point, and again market dropped to the downside and break below the major higher low, which is our change of character. Now this at this point market didn't close the candle below this point, so this is not our proper change of character. This is just the liquidity sweep. Now if candle close below this point, then this is our change of character. Market sweep the liquidity at this point and move to the upside, and then again it break above the first high, which is our break of structure. Now after the break of structure, this becomes our new higher low at this point. Again market moves to the downside from this point. This is our new, and market break below this point. This makes our high at this point, and again this closer below the previous major higher low is the change of character. Now market structure shifted to the downside. From this point you can see that market has again took out the liquidity of first pullback, which was at this point. This makes our lower low confirmation at this point, and when market break below this lower low, which is at this point, this is the break of structure, and this point becomes our new lower high. In this way market structure works, and this is the proper mechanical way of marking the structure. As you can see that these are the higher highs and higher lows that market is creating. I hope you understand something new from this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe this channel, and we will upload more such videos for your learning. So thanks for the support.